Deputy Commissioner Muzaffargarh, officers of civil administration, police officers of District Muzaffargarh, representatives of traders, representatives of media, our religious scholars, civil society, the principal, staff and students of Kodaikan. I am really indebted for giving me this opportunity to be among you. Thank you very much for that. The first and foremost, which I just discussed with the Deputy Commissioner Muzaffargarh, the principal, the teachers and students of Sardar Kodaikan School deserve appreciation for celebrating this Independence Day in such a befitting manner. It is fabulous, fantastic. And the performance of the kids here on the stage, it assures me of a very bright future for Pakistan. One of the students quite sharply pointed out the importance of this day. Since the creation of this world, the sun rises every day, and the days come and the days go. But there are certain days in the history of human beings which are remembered as assets. They cannot be obliterated. So 14th August 1947 is the day which will remain alive for all the times to come. When we praise ourselves and we look at the efforts of those who achieved this country with pride, let's look at the things what we have been doing leading towards the downfall of the country. In 1947, in the presence of Allah, we pledged the nation that by making Allah witness, we make a promise that in this state of the Muslims, justice and fair play will prevail. We promised Allah that in this most cherished dream of ours, the laws of Islam will be implemented. We'll follow the path but of none but of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We pledged him that our lives will be the true reflection of the life of the Prophet. All the citizens of Pakistan will be treated equally. There will be no difference between the powerful and the helpless. And we promised Allah that once you bestow upon this freedom upon us, will not leave any stone unturned to build this nation in accordance with the aspirations of Allah, the Prophet, and the people of Pakistan. But with the passage of time, we forgot a lot. As we grew with the passing years, we started running after money. Materialism became the bread of each of us. We forgot the promise which we made before getting this land. We became corrupt. We became dishonest. We became critics, merely critics. And we even forgot the kindness of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who gave us this precious land, Pakistan. And I tell you one thing, God never forgives a community, a nation, who is ungrateful. So because we were ungrateful, He did not forgive us. And we lost half of Pakistan in 1971. Dear audience, still it's time. It's not too late. The thing is, how we got